Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Kim, and I thought I would pop on and show you what I was working on today. I just finished a mini album by for Country Craft Creations, and I had some little leftover paper. The paper's called Lemonade, and it's by Carta Bella. And it's super cute, and my goal is to start using up my scraps. And so because I love to make tags, I thought that's how I'm going to use up my scraps. So I just thought I'd show you the 5 tags that I made. I do use chipboard for my base of my tags. I don't just use paper. That's too flimsy for me. I use the actual heavyweight chipboard. A lot of people say, well, what do you do with those tags? Well, you can use them in place of a card. You can hang them from a gift bag. Sometimes I lean them up against like a picture frame. Just giving it as a little pick-me-up to somebody, you can use it for whatever. I cover the front and the back. I don't like the back to be just chipboard. That you got to make the back just as nice. So this one I happen to put a pocket so that if you do want to give it as a gift, you could put a little note in there, and that would be a good place to stick it. You could also write on the actual tag also. But most of this is from the collection. I did go to my stash to get some of the things that I have on here. I had this trim, and it looks like leaves. And what else? This trim, which I wish I should have not put that on there. I don't like it once it's on there, but it's already on there now. Let's see what else is from my stash. This little bow, I put that centerpiece in there. This is from Country Craft Creations. So is the seam binding. The paper was the flat back, the enamel dots came with the collection. Make sure I'm in frame here. Yeah. And so that was the one of them that I made. Like, not my favorite, but, just kind of a generic one, I guess. So that's number 1. This one, a little bit longer than the first one. I did have some pearl trim, and I added a little floral trim on top of that. Did some layering. So after I put the main paper on, I went and put some of the yellow. There's lemons on it with little blue dots, which I love that. The blues and the yellows together, I think is really cool. So I just layered up a little paper here, put the daisy in the center, and I have the enamel dots at the top and the bottom. These were cutouts that I used and matted on that really pretty sparkle lemon. I think it's called Lemon Twist. What's it called? Hold on, I got it right here. This is from Country Craft Creations. Sherbet lemon. Glitter paper, and I added the wired trim, tied a bow to keep it, standing up nice. Have the die that says smile. I don't have the die. Somebody gave this to me, and I've held on to it for a long time, and this was the perfect time to use it. So in gold, it says smile. So when I do my tags, I like to a lot of times have things hang off the side. I don't like them just to be perfect on the actual tag. It adds a little bit of interest to have them hanging off. Did I show you the back of this one? Nope. This one I did not put a pocket, but because of the yellow, you could totally write a message on the back here if you were giving it to somebody. This one measures 3.5 by 6.5. The first one that I did, I think, is 3 1/4. Nope. 3.5. This one's 3.5 by 6.5 also. This one is smaller, so here's the third one. The center here was from a 4x4 cut apart, and I just fussy cut around the main picture. That is on foam squares so that it stands up from the doily, so there is paper doily behind it. I used some of the enamel dots from the collection. These are handmade flowers, not made by these hands. Somebody gifted them to me. I really don't. It takes too long to make flowers. I love the way they look, but I get antsy, and I have to set a day aside just to make flowers. That's what I should do. Let's see. Pretty basic, but I do like it. And then on the back, this is a pocket, so you could stick something in there. I don't have anything in there right now, but I did just glue it on 3 sides. You want it tight so that the paper stays in there and doesn't move around much. So there's another one. This is number 3. Number 4 very sparkly. I used basic yellow first, and then I put that sherbet lemon sherbet, whatever it's called, and sparkle paper on top, the glitter paper. I have some trim at the bottom with some pearl trim. I don't know if you can see that. Daisies. I had butterflies in my stash. Added some of the pink enamel dots. I matted the Sweet Summer Days sticker on top of blue paper. Added a bow out of felt. But I loved this sticker and definitely wanted to use that, and I didn't have a place for it in my album. Okay, love the trim, the blues that pop. I like the combination of the blue, pink, and yellow on this one. On the back of this one, I covered it in pink, and I just added a sticker. Summer is simply the best, but because it's a solid, it would be easy to write on this if you have a message, if you're giving it to somebody. This one is 3 1/4 by 6. And this one is the one I did first. This trim is driving me crazy. It needs to be, I gotta press it or something because it's not laying down nice, so it's not playing nice. I gotta press that. This is one of those Tim Holtz words. I really like adding words like this on on any kind of work that I do, whether it's an album, a folio, a tag, a card, whatever. 3 of the daisies. There's that sherbet in the middle. I have another trim that kind of reminded me of the daisies. There are some iridescent bubbles down here. Matted the sticker. Had a silver butterfly. This, I love this. It's sheer. What do you call this stuff? Not taffeta. Anyway, this sheer trim with the dots on it. It comes in different colors, but I love it. Bow on the back, plain yellow, so it's solid. You can write on it. This one, 3 1/2 by 6 1/2. So that's what I did today. I made 5 tags. So let me lay these out so you can see them all together, or I'm going to try anyway and see if they all show up. And then there's this one, and then this one. I don't know if you can see them very well, but yeah, that's what I worked on today. If you have questions, let me know. You know, if you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe, you're going to see that I'm going to be putting up more videos now that it's summer and I'm not going back to school next year. So I do have more time for crafting. So subscribe if you haven't already. And hopefully you'll come back soon and see what I have for you on my channel. Everybody enjoy your day and go drink a glass of lemonade.